It was now 8 p.m., and I still had to prepare for my court appearance the next day. Yet I was fascinated by experience of this former legal warrior. The longer I listened to Julian, the more I came to realize that my own spirit had become rusty. What had happened to the uncommon passion I brought to everything I did when I was younger? Maybe it was time for me to reinvent my destiny. Julian quickened the pace as he continued with his tale. He told me how his desire for knowledge, coupled with sharp intellect, had made him a well loved member of the Sivana community. As a mark of their affection for Julian, the monks eventually made him an honorary member of their band and treated him like an integral part of their extended family. Eager to expand his knowledge of the working on the mind, body, and soul, and to attain self mastery, Julian spent literally very waking moment under the tutelage of Yogi Raman. The sage became more like a father to Julian than a teacher. It was clear that this man had accumulated wisdom of many lifetimes, and most happily he was willing to share with Julian. Beginning before dawn, Yogi Raman sit with his enthusiastic student and fill his mind with insights on the meaning of life and little known techniques for living with greater vitality, creativity, and fulfillment. He taught Julian ancient principles which he said anyone could use to live longer, stay younger, and grow far happier. Julian also learned how to twin disciplines of personal mastery and self responsibility would keep him from returning to the chaos of crisis and had characterized his life in the West. Julian said that the first indications of his personal expansion came after only 3 weeks in Sivana. He also said that his new lifestyle and the new habits associated with it started to have profound effect on his inner world. Within a month of applying the principles and techniques of the sages, he had begun to cultivate the deep sense of peace and inner serenity that had eluded him. He became more joyful and spontaneous, growing more energetic and creative with each passing day. After pausing as if to express disbelief at his own tale, Julian grew philosophical. I have realized that the world, and that includes my inner world, is a very special place. I have learned that the self mastery and the consistent care of one's mind, body, and soul are essential to finding one's highest self and living the life of one's dreams. How can you care for others if you cannot even care for yourself? I can't love you if I can't love myself, he offered. Suddenly, Julian grew flustered. I have never opened my heart like this to anyone before. It is just that I experienced such a catharsis up in those mountains, such a spiritual awakening to the powers of the universe that I feel others need to know what I know. Nothing that it was getting late, Julian quickly told me he would take his leave and bid me adieu. I'll be back, my friend. You have your work to do, and I have some private matters that I need to be taken care of. Just tell me one thing. Will the methods you learned in Sivana work for me? When the student is ready, the teacher appears, came the swift reply. You, along with so many others in our society, are ready for the wisdom I now have the privilege of holding. I will meet you again tomorrow night, this time at your house. Then I will tell you all that you need to know to put far more living into your life. And with that, the master litigator turned enlightened yogi of the East was gone.